give me your full attention, because this is going to be a lesson that you can take notes on that can help you as early as tomorrow make money in the markets. How do you know a stock's going to make a squeeze in the afternoon? When you are getting into lunchtime, lunchtime starts around 12 o'clock Eastern. It goes to around 2 o'clock Eastern. You need to go through an entirely new process of scanning the markets. You're going to want to look for stocks that specifically were strong in the morning, consolidated during lunchtime, and held above a key support level. Those are the stocks that you want to look for to give you an afternoon move. Let me say that to you again. During lunchtime, which is typically from 12 to 2 Eastern, you want to look for stocks that were strong in the morning, meaning they surged higher in the morning, they consolidated and held above a key support level during lunch, which is 12 to 2. Those stocks that meet that criteria have a higher chance of continuing higher in the afternoon. A way that can help you identify these type of situations, I want you to start to break the trading day up into 3 time frames: morning, lunchtime, afternoon. This will help you. So if I was to highlight for you the morning session, what did MRIN do in the morning? Well, what's the morning? The morning is from 9:30 to 12, right? What did we do? There's 9:30 to 12. Right? There's 9:30 to 12. Would you consider that a strong stock? I sure as hell would. The stock made a new high of the day 3 times. Okay. I would say that that's a strong stock in the morning. Wouldn't you? The stock surged in the morning. Great. Well, what do we want to look for during lunchtime? Well, let's highlight lunchtime. When is lunchtime? What did I just say? 12 to 2. Let's highlight 12 to 2. What does that look like to you? Does that look like a stock that is pulling back really hard, is extending higher, or is it consolidating? Break the trading day up into these different time frames to help you see it on the chart. This stock surged in the morning, consolidated during lunchtime. What's the next part of the lesson I just told you? That held above a key support level. What's the key support level? Well, for that, we need our technical indicators. Let's draw our Fibonacci level. Let's draw out our Fibonacci level. So there's our Fibonacci levels. Does anyone see anything? Does anyone see a support level where multiple support indicators are converging on the same price point? Allow me to show you with my little green arrows. You will notice that the 38.2 Fibonacci retracement level, there's your 38.2 Fibonacci level, lines up with what? What's this orange line on my screen? This orange line on my screen is what? VWAP. So now I've got a stock that was strong in the morning, consolidated during lunchtime, and held above a key support level, which is 38.2 Fib and VWAP. This is the setup you want to look for. These are the setups that have a higher probability of continuing higher in the afternoon. That is exactly what happened with MRIN. I got long. And then again, wait, let's break up the day into the different time frames again, right? Now, when's the afternoon session? The afternoon session is from 2 to 4, from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern, the close. Well, let's break up that time frame. And there's that time frame. Well, what would you say, folks? I say this stock was strong in the morning, consolidated during lunchtime, and was strong again in the afternoon. This is a textbook afternoon short squeeze. And what we did in TTG, I went ahead. Let me draw back the Fibonacci level just so you guys can see that. I just meant to delete the time frame boxes. I got long MRIN right there. The exact timestamp on the trade, I'll give it to you guys now. At 1:43 p.m., I'm long MRIN at $12.28. $12.28 right there. There's the entry. After the stock successfully held VWAP and 38.2 Fib, after it held it, there's the entry, 12.28, and there's the explosion. And that is the best word for me to describe this, is an explosion. I took one piece of profit right there at 14.15, took another piece of profit right there at 14.85, took another piece of profit at 15.88, took another piece of profit. Final take. Nope. Another piece of profit at 16.72. And final take profit at 18.38. There you have it. That's a monster of a trade. In at 12.28, final take profit 18.38. That is a 50% gain on that final take profit. This take profit right here is a 50% gain. Now, that's only a piece. That's a piece of my position, but the bulk of my position came off right here. This is where the biggest piece of my position was sold. The biggest piece of my position was sold right there. Just an absolute monster. Absolute monster of a day. And folks, again, the lesson here is how to identify that a stock is going to give you a short squeeze. It's how to identify stocks that have a high probability of surging higher in the afternoon. This is a lesson that you can all take with you literally tomorrow, and you can apply it. You can literally apply this tomorrow in your trading in order for you guys to capitalize and make money in the market.